So now that we've pretty much gone through the basics, I'm just going to show you a couple of more applicable projects that you can try yourself. So if you remember the sugarcane farm that we looked at a minute ago, we're just going to build on that to make it even more efficient. So this is a hopper in an item frame, as you can see. And all I've done here is I've rebuilt exactly the same sugar farm as before, but instead of just collecting it ourselves when it's broken, here I've added a stream of water going this way, and then at the end of that I've added a hopper. And as you can see, when the sugarcane breaks, when it is finished growing, it will go through the water and it will drop down into the hopper, and when we look in the hopper we can see that it's collecting all of the sugarcane so that we don't have to. And next to that I've added a chest which we can then store the sugarcane in. So that's a very easy way to have a completely automatic sugarcane farm, and then whenever you need supplies you can just go and grab them out of the chest.